How to replace the wireless LAN module. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the mylar strip that covers the wireless antenna cable connectors on the wireless module. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the motherboard and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless module. Important: when installing a wireless LAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot in the motherboard.